Hello, in front of me I've got NuPhy keyboard. In this video I'll show you how to connect NuPhy V2 versions of the keyboard to dedicated app. In the beginning, let's go to NuPhy console. As you can see, NuPhy R96 V2 V2, Gem80, Halo 75 V2 and Halo 96 V2 are not supported by NuPhy IO, NuPhy console or field console. In order to connect them to app, firstly go to VIA website, can use via.com, and now select Start Now. Okay, make sure that your keyboard is connected with the PC via cable. Next, tap Authorize Device. Select your keyboard and then go to Settings. Enable Show Designer tab and go to Brush. Right here, we have to load draft definition. Let's go back to this website. And next, go to NuPhy website to find JSON file for your keyboard. Select your V2 keyboard version. In my case, it's R96, but it can be also 97, 60, or any different keyboard that is V2. Download it, and next, unpack the file. I've already done it and the file is here. Okay, so the file is now unpacked. Load it. Before, disable use V2 definitions, because if you don't disable it, you will have multiple alerts. So once the definitions are loaded, select your keyboard, tap connect, and it's done. This guide will work for R96 V2, 75, 60, Gem80, Halo 75, Halo 96, Halo 65, Kick 75 and NOS 75. Now, in the VIA app, let's go to Configure and you can manage keyboard mapping, media macro layers, special lighting custom. You can create macros, save layout, switch layout, and also you can manage backlight settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.